Most analytics tools give you charts. Zoe is an AI data analyst that delivers the work. I'll ask one a CMO would actually ask. Should we be offering a $5 or $8 discount in our next promotion for the SPF cream product? Does the extra money drive more purchasing? Create an Excel model that lets me play around with the numbers. Zoe doesn't just return a number, she plans the whole incrementality analysis, queries the warehouse, and creates the full Excel model, showing her work along the way. Zoe's answer looks great, but how can I trust her numbers? Easy. Every number is cited. I can hover any figure and trace it back to the underlying KPIs, all without looking at the raw SQL. If someone challenges a chart, I have the receipt in just 2 clicks. And what I get back isn't something to repackage. It's a board-ready deck, a polished Word memo, a working Excel model, an interactive dashboard, and it's all live. And instead of a 6-month semantic layer build-out, Zoe has self-learning, so she can onboard herself using your existing reports in minutes, just like your best humans. Question to decision in minutes, not kickoff to first dashboard in months.